Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. It is December 12th, 2021, and the 2022 A case is popping up here in New England, and I finally got my hands on a brand new 2022 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Roadster Bite, and this is an unlicensed casting based off of a Viper, like a snake design, so it's kind of like a Street Beast car. But this one is from a brand new series for 2022, the HW Speed Team, and this is number 1 of 5 for that series. You can take a nice look at the new packaging design, new for 2022 model, so this is the first and only so far of this particular casting. It's also best for track. I got this on my Walmart literally today, and can't wait to get it open. It's number 22 of 254, 2022. This is from the A case. HCT41 is the number. This was born in 2020, El Segundo, California, and the designer is Hot Wheels. This slithery single-seat convertible was inspired by a Viper snake. Check out the exposed engine and fang flaps up front, if you dare. And the HW Speed Team series is put these cars to the test on track and race past your opponents for the win. And Mattel, empowering the next generation through play. 2021 copyright. This is the first 22 Hot Wheels that I've ever opened up. And it came out nice too. 2022 Hot Wheels in my hands right now. And I'm happy to say that it's getting a lot easier to open these. I think they changed the glue on the paper. And boy, these wheels spin very smooth. Green is plastic. The green is the plastic part. That probably means the base is die-cast. Let's take a look at the front first. You can see the wheels. The wheels are orange, kind of like the track set for 2021, the best for track the track stars. Maybe this is the set that replaced it. And we've got Hot Wheels Speed Team on the side there with yellow and orange striping on there. You can see the exposed hood scoop. Roadster Bite, brand new casting for 2022. Interesting casting. There's not a great amount of Hot Wheels in our area, but there were some 2022s left, like the less desirable ones, like this one. But hey, good opportunity to pick 6 of them up. And you can take a look at the front there, side right there, and just a sit casting orange. RA6 spoke wheels, Ryu Asada 6 spokes, and black as well. And you can see the exposed engine side, you can see the interior, black interior, you can see the steering wheel. These wheels on this casting spun really smoothly. Roadster Bite 2022 Hot Wheels. Made in Malaysia, die-cast yellow base. And just a cool casting to have my hands on. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. Just unboxed a brand new 2022 Hot Wheels. Roadster Bite, this one is called. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.